I just came to pick her up from school and they have distributed the certificates, the picture, and the medal. Show them your medal. Yes, that's Mimi's medals. And ito. Hindi nila binigay nung program talaga. Ito yung kanyang photo. So pretty. And then meron din silang class picture. Where are you here? You're with Sisha. Who is this? Vitali. Yan, Vitali.
Mommy, Pasik is sad.
Where? Why? Why is that?
She's very, very sad.
It's very, very sad. And then meron siyang certificate. Congratulations! This certificate proudly announces the successful completion of a year filled with experiential learning by Mishka during the nursery program in July 2024 at EuroKids Codago Madikeri. Hindi ko lang alam bakit yung mga nursery, preschool, meron silang graduation. How many are you? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 15, 20. 20 pala sila ni Mishka.
Mommy.
Yeah. Do you know all your classmates?
Mommy.
Yeah.
I want watermelon.
Watermelon. Nice. We'll show this to Daddy later. Parang big girl na talaga siya. Imagine, 4 years.
And I also got
My princess. That is my baby. Ay, so many. Hey, my princess.
Thank you, Mommy, for fixing this.
You're welcome. I fixed the unicorn headband. She knows where to keep it. Today's festival is Mahashivratri, so we decided to go to the temple so we can celebrate the festival and also offer prayers at the temple. Mahashivratri is a significant Hindu festival dedicated to Lord Shiva, the god of transformation and destruction. It is observed with prayers, fasting, and night-long vigils to seek Shiva's blessings for spiritual growth, peace, and prosperity. Devotees visit temples and perform rituals such as offering milk, water, and bilva leaves to the Shiva Lingam. It is believed that worshipping Shiva on this night can cleanse sins, bring positive energy, and lead to enlightenment. What are you eating? Huh?
Jelly bean.
It's a jelly bean. It's Jollibee. Thank you. we got a parcel. Ayan siya, medyo malaki. This is from the Philippines. Thank you so much. So, nagpadala nito. Si Andrea yung nagpadala nito, guys. Kwentuhan ko kayo habang nag-unboxing tayo. Meron kami isang supporter sa Pilipinas na supporter na talaga namin siya since 2019. So, meron siyang gustong ipadala sa amin. And nataon na si Sam and Andrea ay nasa Pilipinas. And binigay niya itong regalo niya para sa amin.
What is this?
So, yung laman ng parcel na to is mula sa aming supporter na si Krong Krong Hai.
What is this?
Say thank you, Tita Heidi and Tita Andrea na nagpadala nito. Meron pang letter. Wait, we'll read the letter first. Jayan, Mimi, and Abhi, the box and brown envelope are from your follower. The rest are just a few goodies from the Philippines. Enjoy, and we hope to see you soon here in Bangalore. Love, Andrea and Matan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Andrea.
Andrea and Matan. So this is from our supporter,
Wow!
na si Tita Heidi. Say thank you, Tita Heidi.
Thank you, Tita Heidi. Thank you,
Tita.
Tita Heidi.
Meron siyang watercolor.
Ay, crayon.
Meron siyang crayon. Show the crayons first na. Excited much. Meron siyang crayon. Mishka's favorite.
Drawing book.
What's this?
Wow!
Mishi.
So many.
Mishi, you got so many coloring books.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you, Tita Heidi.
I think I like the pink one.
Of course. Pink one is your favorite.
And this is for mommy.
Yeah. Tapos, ito guys. From Sis Heidi.
Wait. See, mommy got a bag.
Meron tayong pabag. Thank you so much, Sis Heidi. Yes. Oh. Okay.
Mommy, there's some more.
Yes. Wait.
Careful.
Excited much yung anak ko. Meron laman sa loob. Sabi niya, matagal niya na to daw gusto ipadala. Kaya lang, hindi naman kami umuwi sa Pilipinas. So, na-timing talaga na umuwi si Andrea and si Sam. Wow, ang dami palang laman sa loob.
A present for mommy.
Oh, you careful.
Careful na
Take
yun.
mommy.
So, meron tayong mga watches.
See. It's a ring. JB's life. Wow. See, so nice. Huh?
Thank you. Merong souvenir. Baka sa Baguio ito galing. Because strawberry, keychain.
There's some more.
Tapos meron tayong pa-headband. Timing sa bago nating bago nating hairdo. Ay, nice ito. Thank you, Tita Heidi. Ay, ang dami pala. Apat na headbands. Ay, this is nice also, Mimi,
Next time I'm going to wear this
Okay,
one.
next time. Tapos meron tayong pa-bracelet. Ang nice naman ito. Thank you, Sis Heidi, sa mga gift mo sa amin. Actually, this is not... Yeah? Uy! This is not the first time actually na pinadalhan niya kami ng regalo. Nung nasa Pilipinas kami, meron din siyang pinadala kay Mishka, guys. So, thank you so much, Sis Heidi. Ay, meron pa. Uy, Mimi, I think this is for you because this is a small one. Merong earrings and bracelet.
Gimme.
So, meron kasamang strap yung bag, guys. Thank you so much, girl. And the rest na nasa box is from Andrea. Favorite na aming pamilya, guys. Boy bawang. And then, ito yung pinadala ko sa kanya. Dato puti. And stick. Oh, thank you so much, Tita Andrea and Tito Matan. Mga pasalubong from Philippines. Oh, yung isa nagbukas na ng boy bawang. Ay, boy bawang, sabi ko, boy bawang. Ding dong pala. This is different brand, Han. Your favorite is
Gimme.
what is that?
Got it.
Ding dong. Ding dong yung favorite niya. Pero ito, boy bawang. Masarap din to eh. Yung isang bata ay excited sobra sa kanyang book. Tapos na siya sa mga pang girly stuff now. She's busy with her books
Thank you, Tita Heidi,
for your gifts.
for your gift.
Thank you, Andrea, for the snacks.
Yeah, and thank you, Andrea and Matan. Masaya na naman yung aming pamilya makakain na boy bawang. It's good. Garlic flavor is always good. Ang nice naman ito. Very timely na may bago tayong hairdo.
And there's also pain.
Okay,
Gusto ko
okay,
ito.
Polly.
I'm not sure if this is for me or for Mishka, but I will definitely use this. Ito ang cute din, oh. Simplihan lang. Ang diba? Cute din ito. Simple lang. I like this. See? This is nice. And gusto ko sa mga headband, yung hindi siya ganun ka tight. Merong iba na tight. Sumasakit dito sa likod ng tenga. Maybe this one is for you, I think. This is
It's so
smaller.
good.
Yeah.
Our name is just.
Yeah. JB's Life. I think this is from Baguio.
Hmm?
I
Give it a
think
bit.
that's from Baguio.
What is this?
It's garlic. Try it. It's good.
Good.
What is that, baby?
An alien.
Very good.
Please like our channel. Subscribe.